Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here working on the 68 Mustang again today. I got a package in the mail. I want to install this little device. See if we can get this in the camera. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get it a little closer. It's basically just a cutoff switch for the battery. You flip that switch right there. No connection. You can't start the car. No electricity flowing. You flip it down, push it in. You can start the car and electricity flows. The reason why you would want something like this, I've actually had this problem a couple of times on a couple different vehicles. I had a pickup truck before. It had a battery drain. The car would sit for 3 or 4 days. You'd go back, the battery would be dead. You couldn't start the vehicle. So I installed something similar to this, not this exact one. I chose this one because it's going to work with the old Mustang the best. Anyway, same thing started to happen with the Mustang recently. You know, with all the working I've been doing, there could be a short somewhere. There could be something turned on. I don't realize it. Whatever it is, it's draining the battery overnight. So you get something like this, you stick it on the battery. Every time you want to start the car, you flip it down and activate it. Start it up, you drive around, whatever you want to do. When you're done, you flip the switch up. All right, so let's go watch me install this thing. So here's the product. I purchased it on Amazon. It's actually called a battery knife switch disconnect. GWA 469 new. Made in China. Fortunately, that's not the greatest thing in the world, but almost everything is nowadays. There's a web address there. I guess you might be able to buy it directly from their website rather than only from Amazon. Anyway, I like the product. We'll see how it holds up. All right, you can see the battery right there. I've already got the positive post disconnected, or a positive cable disconnected. Actually not sure. Double check real quick if you're supposed to do the positive or the negative. This says negative post. Okay. All right, let me get my wrench and we'll get to it. Okay, this is going to be interesting trying to put it on the, yeah, see, it doesn't even hardly fit on the positive. The negative is small. Why do they do that on purpose? Problem trying to do the negative. You can see it's kind of underneath here. I don't know if it's going to fit. There we go. Alright, so this is going to have to go on here, like that. Yeah, this should work. This will just go on there, like that. Yeah, that's fine. We'll put this on here. Tighten this up a bit before we stick it on there. Hardest thing is going to be getting at that nut. Yeah, I may have to take the battery out. Up here, yep. Let's get this here where you guys can see it. Can't do it like that. so it won't fit. I can't flip the battery around. At least I don't think. That might work. Hang on, let's see. Battery in like this. The negative would be here. I could go like that. Will this reach is the first question. Yes, it will. And obviously this will still reach there. Yeah, let's do it that way. Actually, I think that's the way it was supposed to be done in the first place. So, let's get it down. Once again, we'll pull it back out. This panel here. But for right now, we're not going to mess with that. All right, so that's in there. It's tight. We should be able to open and close this. No problem. All right, let's reconnect positive cable. And then connect the negative to this post here. So you can see why I went with this design. Very easy to do, no cutting of cables, anything like that. It just slides on, slides off. One I had before had this switch that you turned on the top with a key on it. You had to cut cables and all kinds of ridiculous stuff. This is for older vehicles, obviously. All right, it should be tight. Let's go turn the key. See what happens. I'm not going to connect it yet. Obviously, it won't have power. Won't have powder. Won't have power. Nothing. Just like you want. Now we're going to flip the switch. Just a quick flip like that. Push it down. Now the car should start. Got power. Car starts right up. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you drop me a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the videos and think of the car. We'll see you next time. Now when we don't want power running to anywhere in the car, we flip the switch and we're fine. The only problem we might have is when the hood is down, this may push it. We'll have to test that once we put the hood on. But for now, this works perfect.